everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to track your Instacart delivery in real time. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the top of your screen. Then tap on order. Once your order is active, you will see the order status at the top. This may say order confirmed, shopper is shopping, checking out, or on the way. When the shopper starts shopping, you will see items being added in real time. You may also get messages about replacement or out of stock item. Next, when the order is on the way, you will see a live map. This shows the shopper's location as they drive to your address. You can also see the shopper's name, the estimated delivery time. This updates automatically so you don't need to refresh. After delivery, you will see a delivery confirmation in the app. And that's it. That's how to track your Instacart delivery in real time. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.